Well, hello everybody. How goes it? Another cold opening. We are doing a print stream. So let's get this ball rolling. What is going on? Oh, there we go. Oh. Indy first one here. He just comes in and does that and then leaves. Alright. Let's restart this. Is that better? All messages. Okay. That should be fine. And let's go over here. Let's get Twitch up and running. Oh, you just watch, you just don't talk anymore? That's cool. Lurking is completely fine. Well, what's up, man? Happy Tuesday. January 7th. In case anybody didn't know what date it was. Alright. So, we're getting back into the shelves. We need to get this right. If I can get my Fusion 360 to load. I was having some internet issues, which is pretty rare these days. But for some reason, I'm having connection issues on Fusion. Wait, what happened? Uh-oh. Looks like Twitch disabled. What the hell? What's going on? Twitch gone? Shit. How the hell did that happen? No, it says I'm streaming. Where? Yo, Denny. Albanian? No. I am Polish, French Basque, Scottish, and Italian. But I'm in the US, so doesn't really matter. But great question. Okay, what the hell? How come Twitch is... Oh, Twitch is back. Something's up, man. Something's up. CPU's fine. Oh, shit. Dropping frames. What is going on? Having some technical issues. I do not know why. What the hell? First one here again. Yeah. Why? What is happening? What the hell's going on with my computer? Not entirely sure. Yeah, I don't know either. It like turned off. Hey, off the bed 3D printing. Welcome back. I'm having bitrate issues, and I'm not quite sure why, to be honest. Looks like it's fluctuating pretty hard. I don't know why. Because my frame rate's fine, CPU usage is fine. But my bitrate is all over the place. Huh. But it only seems to be on Twitch, which is weird. YouTube seems to be alright. At least the YouTube Live. Yeah. Normal YouTube's fine. Is it laggy? Shoot. Yeah, it is kind of laggy. What the fuck? What up, Dak dude? Well, hopefully I don't completely drop out again. Because I want to stream, but I'm nervous about what the nut is going on here. And I don't want to get too far into it until things even out. But it's still, yeah, the bitrate's still going all over the place. What the fuck? I mean, it's not the CPU. What the hell's wrong with the bitrate? Shit. Be crazy, man. Let me close Fusion and see if that's causing some issues, because seems like there was a connection issue with that. What the hell? Bitch rate is correct. It's all over the place. It won't calm down. I'm gonna... Yeah, that's what it was. I figured it out. I'm an idiot. It's my fault, everybody. Build a knife? Psh, maybe. Maybe I'll build a knife. That was my bad. So I took my computer to go... yeah, I took my computer to go... My daughter had sculpting class, and I just sit in the car and wait for it to go over, and I took my computer and I was working on it. And I forgot to re-plug in my hardwire to the router. So it was going off of like some shitty Wi-Fi instead. And then I turned the Wi-Fi off because I thought it was conflicting, but I wasn't even plugged in. So yeah. Anyways, we're good to go. Bitrate is back in the green, and I can actually turn this back on, so we're connected to the printer. And yeah, we should be good to go now. All right. So cut. Now we're good. That was annoying. So we're going to do some 3D printing today. Okay. We're going to work on the shelves again. Whoops, water bottle. So if you saw earlier, whoop. I'll actually turn this off for now. Oh no, I can turn it on. Let's turn the printer off on the phone so people know what I'm doing. Okay. So, I did some 3D printing earlier. We'll pop this bad boy on. So I made this bracket. If you weren't in Discord, you can see I made this bracket that connects this light that was part of my wife's old, or not old, but her side table, and connects to a phone clamp that was part of my kid's RC car that has a camera onto it. And you can use your phone to view the camera. So I went ahead and designed and printed a adapter. Now you see it connects onto the light here. Let me move this. Connects onto the light here. Here's the 3D prints right here. I know it's kind of small. And this is it connected from the back, and it has a little on button and stuff like that for the light. So that's what's holding my camera right now, in case you're wondering why it's so steady. So this is the old shelf. All right. This is the one that has the Mickey Mouse keys. You can see them up close. And it's the one that failed, just like the other ones did. The rim did not work. And then these are the brackets that also failed. This one kind of fits, but it's it kind of showed me that as a shelf, it's not physically strong, because with the key at the end being so stubby, it easily pops out like that. So, you know, and like I said, I don't want to glue all these down. I want it to kind of be like a tight fit. So we have to do some redesigning. And we will... I want to do this more in an iterative kind of way. I don't want to print an entire fucking shelf again. So let's just get the connection points working, and then we can think about it going on a shelf. So first off, this will now load. So let's turn the phone off. All right, there's me again. So now we got this. So this is what we have right here. And what I want to do, you wonder what happened to Kojin. Haven't seen him around. Yeah. It seems like he took a vacation, you know, from maybe he just hasn't gone back into it, or it's a massive conspiracy and he's dead, and that would be really sad. So let's not talk like that. All right, let's see if I can get stream avatars running. Hey, we got Dak Dude and Indy. Awesome. Off the bed 3D printing. I saw you made an account. I will give you an avatar, I think. Oh, you're not on Twitch. Yeah, it won't work. But if you were on Twitch, it would. Okay, so let's make one of these. So I'm going to duplicate this and steal it. So let's isolate it first. Actually, this is a perfect testing. I can just use the hook. So this is the hook that I'm going to use for filament rolls. You can go on Twitch? Yeah, you don't have to. I was just saying, if you want one of those floating avatars that are kind of floating around my head up on the top of the screen, those come from the stream avatars. Hey, Optimus 3D printing on the Twitch. What up? Welcome. So if you follow on Twitch and you're gonna have to create probably a new account, because I think what you did was the wrong thing. Let me see here. I mean, it was the wrong username. It has to be... Yeah. Yeah, it has to be exactly like your Twitch username, so no spaces. But that's fine. We can do that another time. Back to Fusion. So let's use this. And yes, Indy, I can rig the giveaway so you win all 5 slots. I won't, but I can really easily. Are you going to do that? Make sure it's the exact same casing as well. Capital O, capital B, capital P. And if you make a new account, you're going to need a new email with the exact same username as your Twitch. Then I can add an avatar. And then, yeah, you can tell me what avatar you want me to use. I can get you floating above my head. I swear I'm going to make it easier so people can upload their own eventually, but I am, you know, busy doing other junk. Alright. So, let's isolate this. And in fact, I'm just going to print the whole thing. I mean, I can like stop it halfway through once it gets this done, but let's at least use this as an example. And we need to get rid of these Mickey Mouse. So, in order to do that, we're going to make a square. Starting from here. Okay, so that's 21. And we're going to go all the way to you. Okay. Finished. Then we're going to do that, that, and we're going to push this up 10. Perfect. So no more monkey. No more Mickey Mouse ears. Now, what we want to do, I want to make a T-bar. And I'm kind of trying to decide whether I want it to be at the top or like somewhere in the middle. But let's start at the top and see how that turns out. So in order to do that, it's going to be a little different than the Mickey Mouse ears. Let's do that. Alright. Oh gosh. Some of these angles are hard to get. Do you have to use it? Yeah, you need another email. So it's like 1 email per account. Okay, and the T-bar, let's make it 5. Okay. And then let's do this. Let's go -5. And there is our T-bar. Well, there's half of it. Let's do another one. And we're going to do another 5. And then we're going to do this. And we're going to -5 it. Okay. So now, this is our new key. This should be a lot easier to print and also adjust after it's print, because it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. You don't know what it means? What means? I don't know what it means either, so I'm with you. Okay, so we will try printing this out. You made one? Alright, cool, let's see. Let me not give everybody's emails away. Sorry about that. Off the... Yeah, there he is. Perfect. Alright, what do you want? What do you want your avatar to be? You want to send it in Discord? Feel free to do that, or just tell me and I'll look up an image for you. So we'll get this printing right now. Actually, let's just make the other side of it, the bracket, to hold it. So I want to... Yeah, well, like what image, little square image do you want showing up above my head? Floating around, that represents you. Okay, I need this too. I can actually... Yeah, that's okay. Let's just steal this one. You. Actually, let's isolate both of you. Alright, cool. I think he means like in general channel. Oh, sorry. Yeah, general channel is fine. And I'll hide the... Yeah. Put it in general channel. I'll hide it from everybody watching stream so that it can be a surprise. So come on, people. You should all be in Discord if you're watching this stream. You out of your mind? Alright. So let's get this. Same thing. Let's make a square. And then do that. And then do that. That. And then do that. Oh, -10. There we go. Gone. You went on a field trip today? Oh, hell yeah. Where'd you go? That sounds fun. The most. Do you mean it was the most fun? Or did you go to a place called the most? Because that sounds fun. If you did. Let's do the same thing I did, but on here. I'll do a 5. Oh, look it up. It's called the most. Oh. Alright. Let's look it up. The most. And why. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Place. How do I look this up? It's hard to look this up. The most. Oh. The band? No? It's a place? Oh, museum. Oh, Museum of Science and Technology, most. Ah. Cute. Ooh, this is cool. Is that all of toothpicks? Ooh. Ooh, like apothecary stuff. Well, this place has everything. I'm digging these toothpick things, though. That's cool. Look at that city. Holy crap. So the most is mostly toothpicks. I like it. Yeah, it sounds like a lot of fun. Oh, here we go. I got my image. Save. Yes. Let's hook up the hell. Oh, yeah. I moved it off screen. I don't remember anything I do. Okay. Let's go boop. And let's go doop. And a boop. Yep. Perfect. Love it. And now, if we did everything correctly off the bread, you should have a little stream avatar above my head. Let's reload. Let's see. Sometimes it takes a second to load you into the API. Do we have 3 images? What do we got? Nothing's moving. Let's try again. Oh, there it is. It worked. So now we have a little off the bed 3D printing logo. Can't read it, but it's there. Look at you fighting with Indy, Christmas Indy, and Dak Dude. You guys are just chasing each other around. Yeah, you should have seen when I developed that stream avatar thing. It's actually a JavaScript-based like algorithm where I move you using transitions and styling to random points, you know, based off of a, you know, in a range, so it stays up top and stays on screen. But it changes how fast it moves and where it moves at random every second or something. I forget what it is. Indy and Dak Dude were around. They remember when I did that. Okay, here we go. So now we have the bracket and the key and the lock, basically. So let's give this a shot. I'm going to throw these 2 on the printer. Let's actually move them closer, because I know I haven't actually done both like this before. So let's move these on the same level. No. There we go. And that should be good. Printing wise, I probably want to print them like this. Though, if I could just get rid of the... You know what? I probably want to print this one on its face, because I just want to test it out. So... yeah, let's get a little creative here. So, I'm going to actually isolate these separately. Yeah. Let's isolate these separately and export them separately. Export bracket TV. That's T version. And then this one, let's export. This is the offset hook TV. Sandwiches at a cheap price. What? How do you stream on multiple platforms at once? I use OBS. I simulcast. It's a little confusing, but OBS you can simulcast to YouTube and Twitch. And then I installed a plugin on OBS to do the YouTube Shorts live feed. So it's the vertical camera. So it's actually a separate screen just for the phone. So, I mean, it could be on Instagram or Facebook or whatever as well. But yeah, YouTube and Twitch are pretty easy to get going. Yeah, but OBS you can do it. It's you can connect multiple platforms on OBS. Osama bin Bomb and Gaming. Twitch limits the stream to 1080p though, so you cannot do 4K on both. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. You're not wrong. Hey, welcome, by the way. And, yeah. It's not... let's just prepare one. It's a little annoying. But, you know. Twitch has a better, like, interactive chatting experience. Yes, that guy's name is amazing. It's a good gaming name. What was I doing? Where did I put these? Oh, what the hell did I export them as? 3D files? What the hell? Export. Oh, Autodesk files. What the nut? Hook TV. Okay. And then you. Let's actually double check I'm not exporting both at the same time. Oh, yeah, it did. Okay, that's fine. Can't I not do that? Export as one STL. Alright, hold on. We need to isolate. Okay, we'll unisolate, and then we have to re-isolate. Gotta learn some CAD design. Oh yeah, man. Especially if you want to make functional 3D printing. In this case, this is functional 3D printing for my office. But I have been creating some 3D printed products as well that I'll be selling on Amazon under the Orbem Order brand shortly. They finally received my documents, my notarized MBA or DBA documents, so should be registered pretty soon. But that took way too long. And they acted like, oh, we did get them. I'm like, what? I've asked you 3 times now. Fucking LegalZoom, man. Alright. And now let's isolate the bracket separately. Oh, shit. Isolate. You're working on a Sherman tank right now? What? And an MLRS 270 system. An MLRS will shoot rockets. That's 1/16th, so it might be able to add guidance. What? The hell are you talking about? You're 3D printing a Sherman tank? What do I do if my pinky turns into a spoon? Make some cereal. So you're making one of these tanks. MLRS 20. Oh, M20. M7. So, 270. Wait, what? Cool. That's exciting. I want to see that. That sounds way better than what I'm doing. Let's do that. I'm okay with that. Shelf bracket. TV. Okay, now I can add these in. Yeah, you're a mechatronic major. They just do give us CAD classes. Oh, cool. Oh, they don't give CAD classes? What's a mechatronic major? Mechatronic major. Multidisciplinary engineering degree. Dude, I love that. That's like what I have to fucking teach myself all the time. That's awesome. I've had to do all this the hard way. I didn't know there was even a discipline called mechatronics major. That's the coolest major I've ever heard in my life. That might even make me want to consider college. I mean, it won't, but that would do it though, if any of them would. You. Yes, that's it. Now let's print this on its face, just because I'll probably stop the print just to give it a shot. How's the printer bed? It looks clean. I mean, it looks properly glued. Your grammar is terrible. You build robots and fix automation pretty much. Who needs grammar? What in the world is... I don't know. I don't know what that is, Indy. He was engineer on commercial fishing boat. I like that. Getting too old to be working on boats. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, it looks... Yeah. I glued it up because I did some printing earlier. That little product thing, or the little attachment thing that I did for the camera. Okay. I think... This is good. Now, can I fit the other one on there? Let's see. Sure. What? So let's see if I can do some fucking trickery here. We're gonna move this down. Just so I can kind of feel out the T section. We'll make it short. It might fall. So, but that's fine. Fun fact. You're bored and want to work on a game, but you don't want to do pixel art. Should I hold off the pixel art until I polish my game? Yeah, man, you gotta just do your 3D stuff. I know you said you've been wanting to do some 3D work, so... Oh, man, but now I'm gonna have to print the entire bracket. I gotta go shorter. Yeah, we'll print up to there. How about... Yeah, we'll stop like right there. Once this finishes, we'll stop the print. Alright, let's see how fast this is gonna take, because I don't wanna... I wanna finish this during stream. In fact, I can probably even make this smaller. No. We'll keep it. Okay. What do I have here? I need barely any infill. I just want to test this out. So, do we need support? Yeah, whatever. We'll do tree support. We'll do... I mean, if there's any sparse inflow, we'll just do 20. Look in general. Oh. Sandwiches at a cheap price. Satisfactory. It says satisfactory. What did you think it said? What did you type? SA35T. What? Conflicts. Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, it does conflict. Let's move this over. My bad. Yeah, tree support in the way. Let me move you. Let me... Damn it. Let me... Why can't I grab that little arrow? That's better. Try again. Perfectos. Okay, this is gonna take... It's gonna take an hour still. Oh, no. That's because I'm gonna stop it, though. So it shouldn't take that long. You know what? Maybe I should just print this upside down. Let's do that instead. I can redo this. Print on this face. And then let's move this down. Oh, shit. Too much. There we go. And now they should be pretty much in the same line. Yeah, let's try that. Your lemonade is crunchy. It's tasty. What? That's gross. By the way, the image I sent in general is my PC wallpaper. Oh yeah, dude. Tree supports. Forever. Dude, it's so much easier to take off. Like, even that little casing I made, I used tree supports on the inside, and I was able to like snap them off so much easier. I hate the normal supports. Oh, let's turn ironing off. Why do I have ironing on? Ironing. Here it is. No. That should actually save some time as well. Look at that. 18 minutes. Who wants to see an 18-minute print? I do. And I'm not even going to level the bed. I'm doing it. I am doing it. Let's see how fast this bitch goes. Oh, it looks like I need to restart the print. Go. Restart. Is it correct? 72.16.0.28. Nope. Let's try it again. 10.0.0.207. Go. There we go. Print is live. Oh yeah. Just wait. This is a very aggressive printer. And it's The FLSun T1 Pro. It's a Delta printer. Oh, let's check. So this thing hauls major ass. Yeah. This is... I don't know. It's Indy's background for his computer. What is this? 30 seconds? Alright, let's check it out.
Life doesn't always go as planned, which is why Domino's is giving you an emergency pizza. A free pizza to use when you need it most. No matter the reason,
That's
Domino's
messed up.
has you covered.
I thought he was going to
Get
kill
your
the Domino's
emergency pizza
person.
when you order Domino's online.
That's pretty funny. You just looked it up. It's pretty dope. The FLSun T1, the T1 Pro is actually not that bad. Don't look at the S1s. Those are horribly priced. I don't know how you go from, because I mean it's 1,000 millimeters a second, right? Super fast. But the S1s and the S1 Pro, it's like 1,200 and then like 1,300 millimeters, and it goes up to like double the price and more, which I don't get. Because I saw like a demonstration of it, and it wasn't like, it was massive. First of all, the S1s are massive printers, but it wasn't anything crazy. All right, how's this printing? Let's take a look at the big screen real quick. It looks good. I'm not seeing any immediate fails. I think I have this dialed in. It took me a while to get this printer dialed in, but I think it's I think now I'm getting more successful prints than failed prints, which in the first couple weeks I was getting mostly failed prints. You have the T Infinity Pro Max Ultra 3D printer. Nice. Yeah, I like that one. I heard it prints water, which I think is very useful. The bed is, I think I looked it up. It was like 256 by 300 or something. T1 Pro print volume. It's 260 by 330. It's actually decent because my Ender 3, you know, is much smaller. That's what I was using before. But yeah. By the way, if you see that little video at the bottom of your screen playing a trailer over and over, that's my book series, The Harmonian Chronicles here. So this is I'm building a video game too on the side, based off of the book series in WordPress. That's what I do when I'm not 3D printing. So yeah, on those other days you could check me out developing this video game. I'm a website programmer by day, so it's what I do on the reg. And yeah, if you're interested in sci-fi fantasy novels, check it out. You can get it in ebook, audiobook, or paperback, all three for the 2 books. And I'm writing book 3 right now, which don't talk about it. It's taking a while. Your bed is about 6 feet long and 4 feet wide. Was that a twin? Oh, it's starting to spin up. Let's keep an eye on it. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, Dak, dude, you got it. Your futon is twin side? Okay, nice. Website programmer by day, WordPress web dev mentor by day. And music creator. All the music you hear in the background are things I've recorded, my bands, or me recording on other people's stuff. Which, I ordered the keyboard. The MIDI keyboard is coming. So, we'll be able to start making music for the game, which should be a lot of fun. You got a heated blanket and a mattress cover? Hell yeah. That sounds great. Is it lifting in the corner? No, I don't think so. I think it's okay. Temp's looking good. Speed's at 100%. Yeah, it's looking good. It's all an ass. What'd you print? You're envious of the print speed? Yeah, dude, this is an 18-minute print. We're getting some test brackets and offset holes. I'm so happy I got this. Like I said, I was like, either I'm going to get a really fast printer or I'm going to get a really detailed, like, multicolor print, multi-filament printable printer. And I wanted to start with the fast one since less of a learning curve. Alright, let's see. Your non-existent sibling. Okay, 3D printing. What do we got here? Ooh. Let's take a look. What is that? It's like a bunny with a man head. Who is that? Rocktopus. What's Rocktopus? Rocktopus. Oh. Oh, it's a bunny with Trump's face on it. Oh, is that Trump's? It is Trump's face. You gotta, like, spray it with some primer so you can really see the detail. Black makes it so hard to see detail. I love it. That is awesome. It's a bunny. What happened? Oh! Indy's on the ball. I'm telling you, without Indy here, we'd never have a Scotch tasting. So, since this print's going, and we still have a little time, let's do a little something for y'all who haven't seen it before. It's Scotch time. Ooh. It's Scotch time. Ooh. Ooh. Scotch time. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's get some scotch. And drink it. Yum, 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 yum. Cheers. Oh, that's good. It's been a while since I've had this one. So, Petey. We have Ocean Breeze, Hazelnut. Nope. What do we got? My printer can do 12 multicolor. What? If you see a tilde at the beginning of a sentence, that means sarcasm. That is the international symbol for sarcasm in text. Add a tilde at the beginning of your sentence, and we'll all know you're just talking shit. You're not streaming under any category? Damn it. Well, it's because it restarted my stream 1,000 times. Hold, please. Come on. Edit stream. Audience. No. Category. Yes. I mean, just chatting, I guess. I wish they had like a 3D print category. But yeah. Good looking out. What's my recommendation? Oh, for like Multi... What? I think Bamboo? Bamboo is probably the #1 multi-color printer, right? Yeah. The X1. That's what I keep hearing about. The X1. Oh. What's my recommendation? Recommended? Oh, dude, I don't know. I don't even watch Twitch. Like, the only time I go on is when I'm doing it. And they give me the worst, like, fucking chick twitchers on that thing. I'm like, what could they be doing? What could they be doing so entertaining that they have to sell these people to me? So I just fly past it. Hey, but I'd get a lot more clicks if I looked like that, so. That's for damn sure. What was I doing? What was I doing? Printer's going. We have scotch. Oh, wasn't I gonna watch a video? Deck dude.
When it was the right time for my wife and I to launch our
Legal Zoom,
business,
you
we
take
chose
too
Legal
long.
Zoom to create
You
our
better hurry the
LLC,
hell up.
and
Hey, Pomni! Guess what?
No.
You're right! The pilot to the Amazing Digital Circus reached our goal of 1 view and will now be upgraded to episode 1 of the Amazing Digital Circus full series!
Kick as a category for 3D printing. Oh, that's cool.
Normally works.
Shut up! I have so much to show you! Your little crying face.
Alright, sorry. We can't watch that whole thing. I really like the Amazing Digital Circus, though. It's a lot of fun. Need to get on uBlock Origin for them YouTube ads. Oh, yeah, I know. You haven't seen one in 3 years? Holy crap. Yeah, I mean, I could pay for YouTube Premium, but I do that for my wife's account. I just don't want to do it for, like, all of our accounts. Because I have, like, 1,000 accounts. But, I don't know. You know what? I'm a website programmer. My life is ads. Hey, Esteron. Welcome back, my friend. 2 times? I'm being spoiled. Oh, Brave does that? Maybe that's why my buddy uses Brave. Yeah, it's 3 minutes, and I've already seen it before. But we can keep the videos under a minute. That would be great. You use Brave? That's cool. Yeah, I like that. I don't know. I stick with, again, I'm a website programmer. I have to use the browser that everybody's using when I'm working because it you know, you have to make sure it looks good. Firefox. I don't like Firefox. I have to use it just to check cross-browser stuff, but I like to use it when I don't want to sign in. Like, I have 2 different emails under my Zoho accounts, and when I don't want to sign in to, like, sign out and then sign into a different one, I just go to Firefox. Which is cool. Anybody use Opera, the new one? If the ads were 30 seconds or less, I would not care, but yeah, they do get pretty long. I've gotten pretty good at skipping, but yeah, like I was saying, website programmer, ads are the lifeblood of the internet. So I you know, I don't mind giving people some money. You know? I'm under the guise that I'm not paying for it, so whatever. It's just my time, right? You don't like Opera anymore? The Java applet on my PSP? Oh shit. That's cool. Yeah, Opera's old as shit. But they have like YouTubers pushing it again. Like it has some new features or something. You buy 3D prints from guys like you. That's my support. There you go. I appreciate that. Well, you can be the first one. Yeah, Osama bin Bomb Gaming. Jump into Discord if you have not yet. I post my STLs and stuff like that. If anything you see that I'm making that you want that I'm not selling, product-wise, I just throw it in there. So you can have them. Like, why wouldn't you want this offset bracket for a very specific shelf? Get it now while it's hot. You're tempted to either get a bamboo printer with 4 filaments. I know! Fireworks. Oh shit, how do I do fireworks again? Like... Come on, 2 thumbs. God damn it. I hate this thing. It doesn't work anymore. Come on. Come on. Work. 2 thumbs. Oh my god. Come on. Why doesn't it like me anymore? Oh, there it goes! Fireworks! Just for off the bed. Just for you, my friend. Yeah, well, I have a FaceTime camera because I'm using a MacBook Pro. Yeah. Do I need to save the word? Fireworks. Fireworks. No. Doesn't care. Fireworks. Maybe. Makes me feel better. I need new thumbs. Yeah, they're fake. These thumbs are not real. I have learned that the hard way. Though, what is it? This one's always fun. We can always party. You got that for free. Alright, so I think this is gonna work. My only issue is gonna be if the T point in the corners kind of warps it all. I need it to be a tight fit though, because I want to avoid screwing. I want to avoid gluing if I can, and just make it kind of pop in, because these are going to hold not really heavy things, just little tools and maybe my Funko Pops or whatever the hell. I just need more space to put shit on. And I have all these paintings behind me, so I need it to be in front of them. So, but if this does work, then we can make the T-bars for the shelf and give that a shot. And then we can finally make our long shelf, which is what I'm excited for. And we'll do this the same way with like a T. We'll make an H. And this should allow me to make them as long as I want. Because I gotta make a center one too to connect a bunch of centers. Try to do PETG or ABS for the stronger stuff. True. Solid modeling app. Oh, like CAD product. Hey, this is free. What I'm using, Fusion 363. Free. Fusion 360 is free. There you go. I said it. So feel free to use it. You just do like a free personal account. Just make sure you're not using it for business use, I guess. And yeah, that's what I use. See, it says not for commercial use up here. Ooh, I want to see. What? Oh, dude, that's sick. Look at this, guys. That came out great. Did you 3D print the treads and everything? That's awesome. Alright. That came out great. And then you said you're doing you're doing one of those rocket launchers too. The one that lets you make a single project file, or is it that? No, no, no. You can make a bunch. I think it lets you have. Oh, we did it! Successful print. Yeah, yeah. You can do. I have like a bunch. I mean, you can do as many projects as you want, and it tabs them out and stuff too. You can just save the projects. You can save them to the cloud or not. I don't think it forces you. All right, let's grab the print and see it up close. I'm telling you, I'm loving the new not using rafts and just using that glue. It works really well. You can still only use 10 files? Oh, okay. Okay, so let's put up the camera so you guys can see what's going on. Boop. And a boop. Yeah, okay. Tree supports came off. Tree supports came off nicely. Do a little cleanup. And yeah, this one didn't have any supports, so. Let's see. Well, that don't fit. Yeah. Yeah, that doesn't fit. Okay, well now we know. We gotta make the T-bar a little bit smaller. Because, that's not fitting. Oh yeah. Look at this. Look at this edging. I mean, tolerance-wise, when you don't have a bunch of, like, overhangs and stuff, it comes out really clean. And this little tiny thing printed pretty well too. It's just it's too fat. Like I can probably, I don't know. No, it's just too fat. I can almost fit the one side in, but holy crap, that's tight. Yeah, I don't even know. I gotta look it up. Yeah, I have calipers. Yeah, let's see how far off this is. So it's a little bigger than 5. It should have been 5. Yeah, it's a little bigger than 5. Let's see how the inside of this came out. Yeah, that's the problem. The T came out a little bigger than 5, like in between 5 and 6 millimeters, but the actual T itself in here is perfectly 5 millimeters. Now, I wonder if it's just because of the orientation of the print. Well, let's turn this back off. Whoop. Whoop. So, like, I wonder if I also printed this flat, if it would come out perfect. but I'm not going to be printing this flat. So it's kind of a bad test. Let's just do another little one. Let's give ourselves a little more room though. We'll do this. Alright. Let's give ourselves a little more breathing room. It does matter. Yeah. The filament expands on extrusion always goes to take that into account. Yeah, if you just extrude a piece and put a caliper bigger than the setting. Yeah. You're not wrong. And I think I need to pay attention to orientation. I know the other one I would be printing flat the other way. So it's still going to be the correct size. So I'm pretty confident that'll end up being 5. But this is always going to be printed like this. So if we go in here real quick and we re-isolate this and we just give it a little bit of breathing room. I mean, I'm giving it 0.5 millimeter breathing room, which I'm using a 0.4 nozzle, so it should be able to handle that sort of diff. There we go. Oh, I did 4 because I just said 4 out loud, so I did 4. I want to do 5. -0.5. There we go. And then let's re-export this and just reload the STL or the 3MF, whatever the fuck. Let's export. Oh, what did I call this? I called this shelf bracket TV. Yeah. And now let's reload this. Perfect. Alright, and let's just move this over so it's in the center of the printer. And let's put the bed back on. When you get a chance, look at the vid I sent earlier. Alright. You can just print the first few layers. What do you mean? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I that's what I'm doing. I mean, I'm basically cutting most of it off here. I want to give it a little bit more room because it has a long bar that needs to fit inside of it, so I want to see how that fits as well. Alright. Let's get this one going. You're about to print a Trumptopus? Awesome. I like your prints better. Alright. Nice little tree. See, now the tree makes more sense. 13 minutes? What? I guess that's fine. Go! Trumptopus. Trumptopus. Love these little tree supports. I like tree supports. I think they look really cool. I want to save them and put them in a little forest. The tree supports forest. Okay, Orbem. Look at the video, look at the video, look at the video. Okay, I got it. Looking at the video, looking at the video. General. Hey, Osama bin bombing. He's in. Where is the video? Oh. Wait, where's the video? Oh, you sent it in the... Where'd you send it? Oh, there you did. Right here. 30 seconds.
I bought £4,000 in Egypt, and what they do for you is they give you
The OG.
Hey, yo. I bought £4,000 in Egypt, and what they do for you is they give you
The OG.
What the hell was that? Am I supposed to understand that? You cray. Yeah. I was about to make a comment about, but I'm not about to get banned on Twitch. Oh, yes. Let's see how this little thing turns out. Because we have our nice little black tea here. A pity to fool. Now we just need to make a matching thing. And I can always take away. You know what I mean? I have a belt sander, new belt sander with all the little attachments and stuff, and I mean I can always make things smaller if I need to like do major fitting, but I also like when things just work right off the bed. Yes, do it in orange. Yes, please. You have orange? I gotta buy a bunch of freaking filament colors. That is true. Especially TikTok shorts. Yes, I do too. I am not a fan of TikTok. I posted like 20 or 30 shorts on TikTok back when I was doing shorts every day. And I got like 1 or 2 views. I did it for months. I really tried to take a swing at TikTok, and everybody's like, yeah, man, it takes a little while, but then people start watching, and I did not get nearly the amount of exposure as YouTube gave. What is this?
What they do for you is they give you...
It's good. That's a natural reaction.
in Egypt, and what they do for you is they give you...
My reaction to my reaction. What the hell was that? Am I supposed to understand that? You always do the best clips. Indie. Clipmeister. Whitish around the eyes. Yeah. He can only do one color, but definitely do a really good paint job. A really tan paint job. Orangey tan. Yeah, give him the nice eyes. White around the eyes, golden hair. Ooh. Okay, what was I doing? Yes, this is gonna work. I think after we get this fitting going really well, I'm going to definitely get an actual shelf behind me, and that'll be exciting. And also we have to... Oh yeah, anybody who doesn't know yet, most of you do, we have the 200 subscribers giveaway going on right now. So if you want free copies of Orbem and Miropelia, as well as a couple items of merch, which you can get on Amazon as well, or you can see on Amazon as well, then all you have to do is follow, subscribe, or sign up on the website by January 15th. So everybody who has followed me on Twitch or subscribed on YouTube or subscribed to the newsletter, let me know. Just so I don't doubly miss you. Honestly, the only one I'm worried about is YouTube. It's hard to see who subscribes to you, but I will do my best on that one. You could print one of those line stands for the hair. Use a hair dryer. Oh, you did? Yeah, you did the Google form thing. Good. Yeah, and if you've already done all 3 since before January 6th, yesterday, then yeah, you'll have to use the Google form in Discord, which enters you to win. But hey, last time only one person entered, and they won. Game Doodle. So we already have definitely enough entries to hit the 5 people, I think. So Sounds like it's actually going to be a real giveaway this time. And may I suggest audiobook? Audiobook is a very good format. Very good narrator. You use vidIQ for YouTube stats and such. Nice. Yeah, I tried it. It had some pretty good suggestions. I didn't want to pay for it, so I just kind of like tried it out. But it's cool. Watch the vid. It's under 30 seconds. You better win. Got those, and yes, nice narrator. Oh yeah. That's Theron. He's listening to both. I think you're in the middle of listening to number 2 now, right? Let's see what we got. It's good. That's a natural reaction. Are you just trying to clip me reacting to my reaction over and over now? Is that what's happening? Am I supposed to understand that? You always do the best clips. Believe me, if you ask me if you can win, you'll probably win. So everybody ask away. I know I'm still doing it. I'm just doing the cycle one more time. Yes, Indy, you can win. In fact, we can all win. In life, in death, we're all winners. But can you win a bunch of free stuff? Hey, you know, that YouTube video I made announcing the 200 subscribers giveaway, that was the most work I put into a video in a long time. I haven't been doing any, you know, shorts like I was doing before, or like long forms, because they just mean nothing anymore. Yeah. You'll win totally because you were here before Indy. Oh, that's true. Whoever's here before Indy wins. In life, in death, you're a winner if you're here before Indy. Which is super rare. What do we got here? We are down to 7 minutes. Come on. Hurry up. Now I think it's slow. I'm like, ugh, come on, dude, hurry up. Off the bed print 3D printing. No, you get plenty because you now signed up on Twitch, you subscribed on YouTube, and you signed up on the website. So you have 3 chances compared to some people. And that's how it works. The more you do, the more you get chances. Ooh. You have multiple chances? No, Indy, you only have the Google form. The Google form's your only chance. You too, Dak Dude. You're being penalized because you were here before everybody else. Get spoiled at them speeds, I know. Yeah, I did. Funny enough, I bought 10 rolls of Elegoo high-speed black PLA. Here, I have it right here. Elegoo. Yep. Oh, God. That feels like 10,000 grams. That's what that feels like. Yeah, that's a lot of filament. It is good. I won't run out. Well, I was worried because I have four products now that I'm going to be selling on Amazon. I'm like, oh shit. What if like 100 people buy them on day one? That's my warped imagination. I'm like, I'm gonna have to re-up on all my filament. A crow destroyed my printer. You got a CR10 for it? Ooh, the CR10s are good. You just burn through them at a rate. I go print happy sometimes. I can. How? Yeah, it was actually a pretty good price. It was 10 rolls, Elegoo. I don't know. You have to look it up. Same month shipping. Yes. No, I mean, I've been doing a lot of iterating on the products to the point where I should be able to print same day, process, and ship. So that's how I designed them all. And I really, I'm working a lot on the orientation of the prints, like this one right here. So this is my outlet shelf. So this is just like an outlet cover that you can put stuff on. You know, these are pretty specific niche accessories. And it prints lying on its back, and it can print in a few hours. Which I haven't tried it with tree support, so it might be even better. Yeah, good for the bathroom, good for like right behind my desk. If you have like a short charger, you can just put your phone on it. Good for whatever. You know, these are things that, you know, you just have to kind of be like, oh man, I really need that. And then here's the airflow optimizer. This is a stand for your laptop, which I use currently because I need to. My laptop's always getting hot. And this prints pretty quick. It's like an hour. And it's really easy to process and paint, and fits really well in a laptop bag. No problemo. And what else do we have here? The one that I'm going to need to really consider redesigning is my light switch plate. So I have a lot of versions of this. This is version 9. I use just normal spray paint, Rust-Oleum, and I use, you know, the filler sandable, filler primer, and so far I printed these all in white with a clear coat, just so it doesn't smell and it's not sticky or anything. You got 4 rolls coming tomorrow. Ooh, 2 matte green. Oh yeah, for your stuff. Hell yeah. Okay. 57 rolls of green. Money. Ever tried one of the new ARM laptops? That should be cooler. No. I don't know what that... What's an ARM laptop? Are you making a joke? You need to... Alright, Deck Dude. I'll catch you later, my friend. Let's see. Do we have, what versions do we have? Oh, here we go. So this is the version that I might go back to. The problem is that it had, I like this one better. Like, I use it behind me. You could see it. Oh, I guess you can't really see it. It's right there. I use it for my tools. And I like this one better because it's, you know, it just makes more sense aesthetically. It's square or rectangular. And it's pretty strong. It's just, I was printing it on its back, and this whole thing had supports in it. Yeah, so I might offer both. You know, depends on what you need. Oh, the print's done. Now we must check tolerance again. Alright, let's get under the cam. That's pretty good. Okay, let's see how this works. Still too big. How's that possible? I wonder why it's getting so big. What do we got here? Seems like I almost didn't do anything. Yeah, it's the same size. Son of a bitch. Yeah, it seems a little wiggly inside the fit too. So I think I need to redesign the actual bracket holder itself just to allow for some extra space. All right, Indy. Oh. Off the bed. Sorry, I wasn't looking. Have a good one, man. Catch you on the flip side. Boop. Yeah, let's turn this off. Alright. Alright. One more redesign. So, let's go on over to here. So, let me measure this real quick and see if I actually did what I thought I was doing. Yes, I did. Okay. So I want to undo that. We'll do 5. So instead of do this, what I want to do, let's see here. Come on. That's 20. Trees are lighting bolts. What? Yeah. The hell conversation did I miss? Okay, let's undo this. Because I don't want to keep reiterating on this one. It's a little over 5, that's fine. Like I said, I can always sand those little edges. This is just for me. But what I want is you to be a better fit. And I want to measure you. Because I'm worried that I messed up something here. Right? Right? See, that's 26. No. I'm probably measuring at the wrong spot. Hold on. Alright, so let's go corner. Corner to corner. See, I have that at 21. I must have left that. Okay, so that's why it's a little bit wide. Let's actually fix that real quick. 0.5. What? 0.5. And you. 0.5. Okay. So this should be 20 now. Let's just triple check. Yes. Okay. Read the conversation. All right. Let me go all the way up. Okay, Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge as an ARM laptop example. Oh, ARM. Yeah, I get what you're talking about. Good for mobile. Got it. Not a laptop with an ARM. Yeah. I only use Macs. It's what the companies provide, and it's just what I've gotten used to. MacBook Pros. Just something I don't have to worry about. So, that being said, what is this measurement? This is 5, right? It is. And so is this technically. But I feel like the walls are really screwing it. So I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Maybe I'll make it the other way bigger. We'll do negative. We'll do 1. So the thing is, this can be a little loose, the T part. This part, I want to be tighter, the edge parts. So this should now be good to go. And if we go back to prepare, I should be able to, there we go. Get that back. And then let's re-export this. Just you. I think I called it the offset hook TV. Yes. Good memory, Scott. Thank you, Scott. And then let's reload this. Perfect. Get rid of this. And we'll print this one again. I'm not even going to clean the bed. I'm just going to let it ride. Let it roll. Now, I think I can make it a little thinner. I'm not too worried about it being too thin. Alright, let's see what happens. 13 minutes? I think I can live with that. This will be my final print of the night. Gear. All right. So while this works, let's undo all the T sections from the other ones. Let's get rid of the Mickey Mouse stuff, because this is going to be the next one I mess around with. Ugh. What? Yes. What? Thank you. Looks promising. All right. Let's go 10. What did I do? What I meant to do. I guess I should have made the square on the other way. This is not working very well. The hell? Why is this harder than it was for the other one. I do not want to mess around too much here. Sure. It's not working. Alright, what the nut? How come the other one was so much easier? What did I do different? Why is this not? Uh-huh. Yeah, huh. Oh. I don't know. Why didn't that work before? I guess maybe I didn't do -10. Oh, I haven't been paying attention. Is it printing fine? Yeah, looks good. Alright. Now it's at the T-bar. Like a boss. And we're gonna do... Um... 5? Yeah. No, 5. 5. Let's do another one here. I don't know why I'm deciding to do this so differently than I did the other one. But I am. The pop, pop, pop. -10. Okay. Oh, that's right. I said I was going to do 6. Because we want to make this a little bit better fit. Okay. Do. Let's duplicate this over here. Why do you go over there? I should have just isolated this damn shelf. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I was worried about. Because it's not snapping to the side. Wait a second. What am I seeing? What is this? What is this extra line here? Oh, that's not good. I was worried about that too. Motherfucker. Oh. Son of a bitch. Does that mean that this is not perfectly measured? That's 5. That's 6. Okay. I guess that's fine. CLS fill white. What? Sure. that's not what I meant to do. I want to delete you, though. I don't want you alive anymore. I need to remake you. This must be painful to watch. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. No, I don't want to do that. I want to try this. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 3 point. Perfecto. Alright. Now let's jump in here and do it again. So I can do a 5 and a 5. Oh, I keep forgetting. It's not a 5 and a 5. It's a 5. Nope. 6 and a 5. There we go. Right? Or should I be making it 6 and a 6? How's the left and the right look? It looks good. And then we're going 6 and 5. There we go. And there's our new T keys. Tiki. Now I just have to do that to all the other ones. You should go live on twitch.tv. What's that? I am live on twitch.tv. What are you talking about? I'm always live on Twitch TV when I'm live. Alright. So I'm gonna try something. Apple.win. What the hell is that? I'm gonna see if I can get rid of the circles I made. In the historical sense. So I just did that. Let's go back here. It's definitely going to be, yeah. Here we go. If I can delete this. It did not work. Delete you. No, it didn't work. How come it's not deleting the circles? My plan is failing. Let's see, can I find the sketch? Dot 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 dot. Where is the sketch? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I think because I like mirrored it that it's gone. Yeah, whatever. YouTube, less than 30 seconds. Let's check it out.
Grow your business with a
What?
professional email and Microsoft 365 from
What's with
GoDaddy.
Squid Games?
Organize your life all
Everybody's on Squid Game kick. Awesome. That's pretty random. I like it. Alright. After this print finishes and we check it out, I'll call it a night. But maybe we'll actually raid somebody. Put your bass speakers to work. It is pretty bassy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright, let's do these. Oh, looks like the print's almost done. We have 27 seconds. And once and for all, will this fit? We shall find out. I think it will. Especially because I sanded this down a little bit. What? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And finished. 2, 1. This estimate's wrong. Alright. Done. Alright. Definitely looks a little wider. Let's check the tolerance here. I don't know. It's not looking much different. It's looking like 5. It's looking the same, even though I went up a whole fucking... That sucks. No, it's not changing. Son of a bitch. Well, that was a waste. Honestly, it looks like I didn't even... No, it's definitely tighter on the left to right. Not much. God, it looks exactly the same. Maybe I didn't do it. Yeah, it looks like I just replanted the same thing and I never refreshed. That's weird. Didn't I refresh this? Didn't I refresh you, or did I not refresh you? I thought I did. It's so hard to tell. Alright, whatever. We'll save that for the next time. Why don't we go ahead and raid somebody? That sounds like fun. Doop-de-doop-de-doo. Raid Central. Who's on tonight? We got Quaternion, we've got CA2, Jedum. Ooh, Flimsy Nimsy. I liked him, he was cool. Let's raid Flimsy. He's got 10 viewers. Let's see what he's up to. and I will look at the video as the last thing I do. Alright, let's see the video. Go!
I have no knowledge of anything about that gun. Anything.
You own any guns?
No.
Do you know him to own any guns?
I mean, it's up to him, bro.
Listen, bro, no, it's not up to him because you're being charged with it right now. That's why we're bringing you here to talk to you about it.
Oh, I'm being charged with it.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Man.
I mean, how do you not freaking laugh your ass off when someone farts? Alright, everybody. Thank you so much for joining tonight. Let's go say hi to Flimsy Nimsy and check out his Rocket League game he's working on. And I will catch you in the next one. Happy Wednesday. Peace.
Now Taxes is getting the TurboTax app. And filing your taxes yourself 100% free if you didn't file with us last year. Now this is Taxes. File free in the app by 2/18.